Good morning, Wayfam from Washington State in the United States.
I'm Ashley, this is my husband Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell to follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. Today is very exciting because this is kicking off the first real trip, I feel like, of our goals this year.
Well, we did go to Canada.
We did go to Canada, but that was before we announced our goals.
We are planning on doing 4 continents within this year. So currently we are in the North American continent. We went to Canada with our friends Flying the Nest, and now we're headed to Colorado to kind of kick off like some North American travel.
America stuff. Of course, after that, we're going back to Canada again, and then maybe some other stuff down the road. But first things first, we need to pack. And we're doing something a little bit differently because the last 2 years, we've been using the same 2 carry-on bags the entire time. And those bags don't have any rollers on them. They're basically backpacks slash duffel bags slash suitcases without rollers. And they've been fantastic. They're great. They still work.
But the older I've been getting, I've been begging Josh that we could get like roller bags.
So the bags still work, but we're breaking, right? So we're gonna try something a little bit different. We thought, hey, since we have a home base, let's try a roller bag and see if it works. This isn't sponsored. We're not doing, any fancy bags. We have an old bag lying around from like years ago. We're just gonna grab that.
I went to when I was out of high school.
So this is at least a decade old.
Really old.
We're basically just gonna show you guys what we pack for a week-long trip to Denver during the winter time. And we are sharing a bag because we're flying with an El Cheapo airline and we only bought one bag.
Yeah.
To save money. So money saving costs.
It's only a week. We
space
should be
saving,
able to do it.
back saving.
I'm relying on Josh to only bring 1 pair of pants.
I was literally just going to say that.
So then I have the rest of the room bag for myself.
I'm sharing a bag with her overpacking tendencies.
I don't think I need to pack little because the bag just seems so big.
Okay, well let's go address that right now.
This is going to be a video of you telling me what I can't bring.
Okay, before we start packing things up, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what's happened after Christmas and the holidays. All of my stuff has exploded. Just a lot of stuff. This is my tech bag here, clothes, presents, small bags, underwear, socks, and Ashley cleaned up. First thing I'm gonna do is decide which hard drives to bring. Hard drives take up a lot of space. Our Glyph hard drive that they gave us, and these are 2 Glyph solid states. Because this is a short trip, I don't think I'm gonna need the backup. And we're just gonna pack 2 1 terabyte hard drives. This is for Ashley to work on, and this is for me to work on. And that should be enough for us to last the whole week. Also, I'm probably just gonna opt to bring 2 pairs of shoes. Both of them will go with jeans. This one probably only with slacks, and I'm gonna bring that 1 pair of pants that Ashley talked about. So this is my little tech bag, and a lot of this is either just redundant or unnecessary. These are all hard drives that are old now because they're backed up on our new Glyph hard drive, and so that's really just like a backup of a backup at this point.
I ordered a swimsuit on my birthday, which was 3 weeks ago. And I was really hoping this swimsuit would come in. And so now I have a new swimsuit for a little trip to Colorado.
Isn't it from a website that someone reviewed?
Yeah, that I saw on a YouTube video.
Oh, that's funny. So you watch someone else order it and you're like, I want one.
We're going to Asia soon, so I'm going to need some swimsuits. So I thought I'd check it out before I actually ordered more.
And if I'm not mistaken, at least one of the places we're staying at has a heated swimming pool.
We have hot tubs and swimming pools and spas coming up. So.
Okay, I can't wait to see you try that on. And because I just got LASIK eye surgery recently, I need to use artificial tears. So this is a whole box full of preservative-free artificial tears. If you want to check out the LASIK video, I'll have a link up above here in the corner. You can check it out. There's a whole series about how I got the LASIK done. You can see the procedure itself. I'll do an actual follow-up later, but still need to use eye drops quite frequently. This
is the bag we're bringing.
That's pretty big, actually.
It is pretty big. Like my regular bag. And we're only going for a week. I'm confident that even though I didn't pack really light, I could easily pack lighter. We could fit everything that I want to fit in here, including Josh's stuff. We are still using our packing cubes because they're awesome. Yeah. Josh has his here. My bras and underwear. So how many,
I'm bringing 4 regular shirts, I think 2 t-shirts, 2 long sleeve, And then one additional dress shirt.
This is my pile of shirts.
Plus the turtleneck I'm wearing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 shirts for the week.
But we're going for 5 days.
I have 3 sweaters, which most likely that's what everybody's gonna see anyways, is a sweater. Because they don't even see the clothes underneath when it's cold outside.
I brought 1 sweater.
How many sweaters do you have?
I have 1 sweater.
Yeah. Are you gonna wear your
I have a big puffy jacket, and I could bring it. I suppose I could.
You should bring it.
But this is my
We
theory.
have plenty of room, and you freeze.
My theory is I have a down layering jacket, and then I can just put that under a sweatshirt or sweater and my jacket.
Do you know how cold it's gonna be?
No, hold on. What's the weather in Denver, Colorado?
It should be nice in Denver, Colorado today.
Yeah.
Up to 16 degrees.
That is cold. Look, the rest of the time is like 8, like 1 digit.
Okay, I'm bringing the big jacket.
Josh always thinks he's gonna be warmer than he is. He always freezes. Did you bring your leggings?
I'm wearing my leggings right now.
Okay.
Way Away branded leggings, everybody. Buy that merch. thewayaway.com/shop.
So this is my pile of pants. I have 2 pairs of pants and I'm wearing 1, plus my leggings here and some pajama leggings. And then this is like a little nice jumper that I can wear.
2, 4, 5, plus the one she's wearing 6. That's good. What pair of pants every single day? A little overkill. Of course, I'm going major underkill. I'm wearing a pair of pants and I am bringing a pair of dressy pants.
I figure if I'm freezing in 1-digit cold weather that I can just layer everything up and
Are you gonna wear?
just keep putting things
Are you gonna
on
wear
top.
4 pairs of jeans?
Well, maybe just the 2 leggings and then a pair of jeans on top. You know.
All right.
Maybe, and then I'll get too hot and I'll sweat through it, and then I'll have to have new clothes. And I have swimsuits in here. I have 3 swimsuits just because we'll be swimming, and that's all the swimsuits I have, and I don't know which one I want to wear. Did you bring a swimsuit?
I did. I bought 1 pair of swim trunks.
I am wearing my tennis shoes today and tomorrow, and some little boots.
And I am wearing my tennis shoes today and tomorrow probably, and I brought 1 pair of dress shoes.
Your ankles are gonna freeze. Do you
My
have
ankles,
socks?
my ankles don't have pain receptors.
Do you have your fuzzy warm socks?
Oh yeah, I brought a pair of like house socks, fuzzy socks.
Hold on. If we're doing like bike rides and stuff, these aren't gonna work.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna wear my tennis shoes. That's not the words that I really want to sing.
Well, when we're in Colorado, you guys will see how well we packed when Josh is freezing.
You know what I'm saying?
See, okay, so this is the difference between Josh and I. I prepare for everything.
And I
Josh-
prepare for most things, and I'm like, I'll live with it if I make it a mistake.
He suffers because he's not prepared.
No, I'm prepared. I just like not for every eventuality.
And that is also the difference between Josh and I, is that he's challenging himself in this packing situation.
And she's taking advantage of the situation. 42.3.
Oh, that's not bad.
Not bad at all.
Okay, so 50 pounds is the limit, so that's pretty low compared to what the limit is.
Okay, 42 pounds. I think we're pretty good.
Yeah.
Plus, I have my backpack. Are you taking a carry-on at all?
Yeah, my purse right here.
Okay, so one personal item we can bring. What airline is it?
Frontier.
Frontier.
It
So
was really cheap, $150, including the luggage that we purchased. Round trip
For
from
both of
Seattle
us.
to Denver. So
Right?
we're gonna
For
be
both of
there-
us.
Yeah, for both of us, which was really great. We're gonna be there for a week. I'm so excited. We've been to Colorado one time before,
yeah, but we were there for a conference and we didn't
Yeah.
do anything.
but we're working with the tourism board. They have so many cool things planned. Plus, we have friends there that are locals, and they'll be able to show us around and do some really fun things. There are so many mountains. I'm really hoping to see the Rockies, and I am hoping for snow while we're there.
I think Denver is in the Rockies, right?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either, but we'll see. We said before that flights in the U.S. are pretty expensive. However, there are still deals to be found, as we just showed you here. $150 for both of us round trip with not a carry-on, like a check bag.
Check bag, yeah.
Not bad at all. Tomorrow morning, we are going to take our flight to Denver. So we will see you in the next video. Way fam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. And we'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you in the next video. Don't pack like me, like if you're going on a long trip. It's probably not the best idea.
Goodbye in Colorado.
Bye. Why would you say it in Colorado?
Because don't Coloradans have like their own language?
We're not in Colorado.
Oh yeah. And also, that was a joke. Coloradans don't speak a different language.
Are they even called Coloradans?
Yeah, Coloradans is a thing.
I've never heard of that.
Colorado. Are you? If you're from Colorado, are you Coloradan?
I don't think so.
Okay, bye.